Want to make sure you know that starting tomorrow, Marion County is going to be holding 3 vaccination clinics. These are for children between the ages of 12 and 17 years old.
That's right. You can find out how to sign up for it by scanning that QR code. It's on the bottom right part of your screen right now. And we'll leave it up there for the next couple of minutes if you need to go grab your phone. Tomorrow's clinic will take place at North Central High School from 4 until 8 o'clock. The information's on your screen right now. You can pre-register your kids. You'll also need to go with them to make sure and give your consent. They'll then be able to come back for their second dose June 23rd.
So if that's not a good date for you, we want to make sure you know that there are 2 more events this month. One of them will be on the 12th. That's at Arsenal Tech High School. The other on the 19th, and that's at Warren Central High School. And we do have an update tonight coming out of Bloomington. IU is still requiring COVID-19 vaccinations, but there is a change today. You no longer will have to prove that you got one.
And that's because some state lawmakers and the Attorney General say requiring proof would have violated a new state law. The Republican majority says they passed that law to protect people's right to privacy. So this will essentially be the honor system. But IU is offering incentives for students and employees to get vaccinated and then tell the university on their own. And we're supposed to learn those incentive details sometime later this week.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what those incentives are. Meantime, those who are vaccinated can certify their status starting tomorrow. And we are told that if you falsify, lie about your status, you could face punishment.
Now, another change announced today. If you're vaccinated, you won't have to wear a mask on campus or practice social distancing.
Also today, IU Health says it has a requirement for workers and the COVID vaccine, and they say they must get vaccinated, and this is nothing new. They say they've required several other vaccinations as a condition of employment since a date back in 2012. And they released a statement today saying, quote, vaccinating team members is a safe and effective way to protect patients and help reduce the spread of COVID-19 in facilities and in the community. IU Health will require those COVID-19 vaccinations for all staff by the 1st of September.
Now, all of this comes as Moderna tries to get full FDA approval for its COVID vaccine.
Yeah, before filing for it, they did need to wait for 6 months. That's the same thing that Pfizer had to do before they could seek this status. So far to date, more than 124 million doses of Moderna's vaccine have been administered all across this country.
Your personal information, your personal health information specifically, is generally protected. But does that also apply to this COVID-19 vaccine? Can a business or your boss legally ask you whether you've been vaccinated? Bob Siegel has answers in tonight's 13 News Verify.
25 years ago, Congress passed HIPAA. That's the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Its privacy rule protects your personal health information from being shared without your consent. Viewers like Lynn want to know, can you verify whether or not the COVID vaccine is covered by the HIPAA Act? To answer Lynn's question, we turn to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, the Equal Employment Opportunities Commission, the National Law Review, and Park Legal Services, a law firm that specializes in data privacy. First, it's important to point out who is covered under HIPAA regulations. The law applies strictly to health-related entities, such as doctors, insurance companies, clinics, and hospitals. They are not allowed to share your personal health information without your permission. But HIPAA does not cover employers. Joan Anticall, a data privacy and HIPAA expert at Park Legal, told us employers can, for the most part, ask if an employee is vaccinated because that does not fall under HIPAA. An employer has an obligation to maintain and foster safety in the workplace, and they are allowed to take reasonable steps and ask reasonable questions to do that. In December, the EEOC, which enforces federal workplace anti-discrimination laws, confirmed employers can ask about a worker's vaccine status and even require them to get a COVID-19 vaccine. Businesses are also allowed to ask whether you've been vaccinated. HIPAA does not apply to airlines or grocery stores or any other businesses that do not collect your personal health care information. Now, just because a business asks whether you've been vaccinated doesn't mean you have to tell them. But that could come with consequences. In most places, businesses are allowed to refuse you service as long as they're not violating any federal discrimination laws. Some states, like Florida, now have executive orders that prohibit businesses from turning away customers who do not have the COVID-19 vaccine. But those are state rules not related to HIPAA. So are businesses or employers violating HIPAA if they ask about or mandate a COVID-19 vaccine? We can verify that is false, because most businesses and employers are not subject to that federal law at all. Have a question or something you'd like us to fact check for you? Send us an email at verify@WTHR.com.